What's going on, guys? I got a 2006 Ford Fusion with the 3.0 V6. If you're looking at this video, it's because you need help with the seals for the solenoid. So I ordered a FEL Pro kit. It came in. The gasket for the valve covers, for the coil, that's all fine. But the seal for the solenoid does not fit. It came with two different ones. It came with these two, and these do not fit over the solenoid. And when I was doing my research, and as you can see, this one I try to push on, split right in half. It's the right size, but the hole for the solenoid, it just does not fit. And as I was reading reviews on the FEL Pro kit, everybody was saying the exact same thing. Nobody could find the seal to fit this. I was reading forums. I guess that's like a part that Ford discontinued. The part that I got from Ford is the exact same one that came with the FEL Pro kit. So I was kind of stuck in a pickle because I got everything buttoned up, but I did not have the seal. So I kept doing research, and came across this. Part number is 222820. It's just a universal oil seal, and as you can see, fits absolutely perfect. And what I did was I grabbed, what size is this? It doesn't have a size. Interesting. But I grabbed the socket for like the axle nuts. Fits perfectly over, and with a hammer I gave it light taps so that it sits all the way down. But when you buy this, it's going to be a little bit thinner than this. So what I'm going to do, so that I have extra security, is I'm going to put a little bit of gasket maker all the way around, and it should be good. But I just wanted to help you guys out, because you could buy these parts online. I'll link it in the description. One company, I think it's called Motion, they sell it. But if you're in the middle of doing the job and you want to get it done, you don't want to wait a few days to just get a seal. So I found this seal at AutoZone and O'Reilly's. They only had one of each, so I had to do a little bit of driving around to get two. But this is the part number, and it fits absolutely perfect, nice and flush. And just, throw a little bead of gasket maker all the way around just for some extra security, because it is a little thinner. It's not as thick, but it's nice and snug. So I hope that helps somebody out that's having this issue, because I could not for the life of me figure out where to buy this thing. So again, National Oil Seals, part number 222820. I'll link both of the ones that I found that would work in the description. And yeah, like and subscribe.